Hello and welcome to Hooray. Today we are going to learn about listening module for occupational English training. Let's look at the question types. In the listening subtest, there are three parts: Part A, Part B, and Part C. In Part A, there will be two consultation extracts of 5 minutes each. This consultation extract will be between a healthcare professional and a patient. The type of task that you are supposed to complete is you have to complete the notes given. There will be 12 questions for each extract. This part A assesses your ability to understand and note information about the patient. Part B has 6 short workplace extracts. Each extract is about 1 minute, and these extracts are based on interactions in the workplace, for example, team briefings, handovers, or dialogues between healthcare professionals and the patient. Each extract will have one question, and there will be multiple choice questions for each extract. You have to choose one answer from each MCQ. In Part C, there will be two presentation extracts of about 5 minutes each. This will be an audio of an interview or a presentation on two different topics. Each extract will have 6 multiple choice questions. This Part C assesses your ability to follow a recorded presentation or an interview on a range of accessible healthcare topics. Let's look at Part A in detail. As we saw earlier, there are two separate consultations of 4 to 5 minutes each. You have to listen and answer simultaneously. The different tasks that you have to do is you have to complete notes, and for each extract you will have 12 gaps where you have to complete these gaps for each consultation. These consultations will be between the healthcare professional and the patient, or a health professional and a carer. You will have 30 seconds before the recording starts. You have to read the questions and underline the keywords. Most of the information is based on the patient. You will have questions 1 to 12 and 13 to 24. Your answers will be in one word or short phrases for note taking. Conditions and treatments of the patient will also be given in these extracts. Let's look at the strategies for Part A. Recording will be played only once. Listen for the details. The details could include patient's symptoms, the medical history, and their treatment. Headings and subheadings can be used as cues. You have to scan the notes to identify the important words such as described as, diagnosed with. This will give you a lead to the answer. The words in bold may be the gap. So if you have some words in bold, for example, diagnosis, the gap to be filled would be the names of some diagnosis. Or if it is treatment plan, you will have the gaps to be filled by the different treatment plans which are prescribed for the patient, so on and so forth. You could also have recent medical history of the patient, current medication, lifestyle choices, past surgeries and illnesses. Idioms and phrases are used sometimes. Identify the correct information in long consultations. Not all the information is medical. It could also be the social history of the patient, for example. Patient's current and future treatment could be discussed. A form or medication or type of treatment could be included. Simply describe the treatment they have been giving following so far. Practice strategies for completing the notes in listening part A. Let's look at part B in detail. In part B, there will be 6 different short recordings or 6 extracts, and the time duration is about 45 seconds for each extract. You have to listen and answer simultaneously. You will not get separate time to write the answers on your paper. You have to identify the gist in a workplace communication. You have to see the speaker's purpose or the detail. You have to listen for the opinion, function, or course of action questions. Look for specific details within their interactions. These are workplace interactions. They could be briefings or handovers. For 15 seconds, you can look at the question and then mark your answers in 5 seconds. There will be at least one healthcare professional in each recording, and the range of contexts will be given. This is a generic hospital-based question. There will be 1 or 2 speakers in this part B. Let's look at some strategies for part B questions. For questions 25 to 30, you have to choose the answer from the choices of A, B, or C and see which fits best according to what you hear. Part B tasks have generic hospital-based contexts. There will be gist questions. Look for overview of information, not a specific detail. Information may be rephrased. In detail, you look for specific part of the recording. Check for synonyms here. Speaker's purpose. Listen for what, why, and the aim of the speaker. Look for the function, what one of the speakers is doing, or what the function of what they are saying is. Understand the actions that their language describe. Look for opinion of the speaker. Identify the opinion of the speaker on the issue discussed. Pay attention to how the speaker says things. Listen for their attitude towards their topic as well. Look for the agreement. Identify what the speakers are in agreement about and listen to the conversation and pay attention to the reactions of each speaker to the other's suggestions. You also need to look for the course of action. Decide what the speakers will do as a result of the conversation or talk. Pay attention to anything that will be done later while listening to the recording. Be aware of when in the future the actions will be done. Now we are moving on to part C. Let's look at it in detail. There will be 2 different extracts in part C, and the time duration will be about 4 to 5 minutes each. You have to again listen and answer simultaneously. These extracts will be presentation extracts or interviews. There will be words indicating examples and the theories. You will have 30 seconds before the recording begins. You will have 6 multiple choice questions for each extract. The workplace interaction and podcast style interviews will be also narrated. Listen for broad healthcare interests. Now let's look at strategies to answer Part C questions. For questions 31 to 42, you choose the answer from A, B, or C options. The extract 1 will be questions 31 to 36. Extract 2 will be questions 37 to 42. Use words in the presentation to highlight which parts of the recording relate to which questions. Pay attention to the key words in the questions. Look for general meaning and the gist or the summary. Test your understanding of the arguments, the attitudes, and the opinion of the speaker. Listen actively and write your answers simultaneously. Correlate the words in the questions with the recording. Pay attention to the keywords. Questions include results of trials and experiments done, and also case studies conducted. Remember to read the questions first and keep underlining any important words in your text. The topics are not specific to any field, they are very generic. If the topic is unfamiliar to you, do not worry. The information needed to answer all the questions is given in the recording. Let's look at some general listening tips. The format is in a fixed format. They have standardized instructions. You have to familiarize yourself with these instructions. There will be general healthcare interest topics. It will be accessible to all candidates across all professions. Use the time given before the task to look at the questions. You should read through the questions. Multiple choice questions should be underlined wherever the important words occur. Write clearly and legibly. For note completion questions, underline important words that appear before and after the gaps. The recording will be played only once. Record your answers as you listen. Fill in all of the gaps in Part A. Select an answer choice for all the questions in Parts B and C. There's no negative marking for incorrect answers. So if you don't know the correct answer, you can always take a guess. If you miss some question, just keep moving on and return to that particular question later. Listen to English accents every day. Listen to podcasts and videos. This listening section of the OET includes 12 different healthcare professions: nursing, medicine, physiotherapy, dentists, pharmacy, veterinary, occupation therapy, speech pathology, dietetics, optometry, radiography, and podiatry. Now let's look at some learning resources which will be helpful for you to understand the listening context. ABC All in the Mind program. Listen to ABC Health Minutes, ABC Health Report, ABC Life Matters. And in BBC, look for Health, listen to Health Check, Inside Health, and Science in Action. Thank you.